Hi, today I'm slightly earlier than usual because I'm always attempting to catch you out of guard. I hope I succeeded. And today I would like to talk about LionWeb, and in particular about some evolution. LionWeb is this project that has been ongoing for a couple of years, involving many international modeling and language engineering experts, so a bunch of very interesting people to be around. And in this, in this, as part of this experiment, this more than experiment at this point, we have a lot of running code. About this initiative, we created different ways to produce models and consume it from multiple languages. So, for example, in our use case, we deal with analyzing legacy code bases. We build parsers. Parser analyze code, that is text, extract information as models, and these models can be stored in a LionWeb repository. That acts as a DataHub, because there we can store a lot of data. We can analyze code base in the millions of lines of code and store the resulting models or ASTs in the LionWeb repository. Once we have all of this information, we can analyze and find relationships between this data. So this script is calling this program that is accessing that SQL table. So we can analyze all this information, and then we can consume it. So we can query the LionWeb repository from multiple languages, because we have bindings for C#, Java, TypeScript, of course, and Python most recently. So what does it mean? Did I mention C#? I think I did. So it means that, among other things, we are opening the possibility of querying this data that can be, provided by multiple tools, by querying this data from Python notebooks, where it's easy to maybe run some queries, massaging the data, and produce some visualization to answer a question quickly. So I think that is an interesting use case. We are using it to process legacy code bases, but there are multiple applications. For example, modeling in other fields where modeling is very relevant. More to come on this topic. So yeah, I think this is opening interesting scenarios, and given the time we are in, of course, let's mention AI. Why is AI relevant? Because when you say Python notebooks, half of the people out there are using Python notebooks to do AI. Yes, but also because to use AI effectively, we need to produce queries that encapsulate the right context, right? So if we are able to insert a lot of data in the LionWeb repository, find out these relationships, then we can extract a piece of data and the related elements and provide it as a unified input to an LLM to obtain some kind of answer, depending on what we are trying to get, maybe some explanation, maybe some other processing. So I think, this is aligned with the time we are living. You need to provide simple ways to access data, find relationships, visualize them, and feed our overlords, the LLMs. So I think in the future we will see some demos coming that will be, I guess, more interesting than hearing me talking, despite today I'm wearing a very nice tie. Okay, thank you. Bye.